Track 1.14. Unit 3. Lesson 5. Activities 1, 2 and 3.
I'm sitting here with Mike Charles, the famous Amazon explorer. Welcome, Mike.
Hi there.
Mike, let's talk about life in the Amazon. What's your favourite food there?
It's definitely fish. I often catch fish in the river and cook it over a fire. It's delicious.
What's the worst thing you've ever eaten?
Well, I've eaten a lot of strange things. The worst was an insect that lives in palm trees. You can cook them with orange, but they still taste horrible.
Ew! So, how do you travel when you're exploring the Amazon?
I usually travel by boat.
And what's the scariest thing you've seen there?
The scariest thing I've seen is an anaconda. It's the biggest snake in the world.
Wow! And what's the worst experience you've had in the Amazon?
I once slept by a lake that was full of mosquitoes. They bit me everywhere. It was horrible.
Ouch! So, how about at home? Where do you live?
I live in Sydney, the biggest city in Australia.
And what's your favourite food at home?
I love fish and chips, but I don't have to catch the fish first.
What's the worst thing you've eaten at home?
That's easy. My cooking. I'm a terrible cook.
Do you travel a lot in Australia?
Yes, I do. It's a very big country, so I usually travel by car.
And what's the scariest thing you've seen in Australia?
Well, there are lots of wild animals in Australia too. I've never seen an anaconda, but I've seen an enormous crocodile with big teeth. Now that was scary.
Finally, what's the worst experience you've had at home?
Well, my worst experience was when I found a spider the size of my hand in my favourite pair of shoes. It was